That doesn't need Anna's help. Anna's just jealous. She's trying to control her, etc., etc. Oh, God, that was so violent. And then Elsa leaves across the ocean to the ice caves.
It's like, yeah. Like, there's no content. They're just having a good time. Deal with it. He also has another playlist called...
Match. It doesn't really match. And she didn't even say bless you. Look at this bitch. And she lives under my roof too. It's unbelievable. These brown one is definitely my favorite. These pants. Are you kidding me? Ah! Yeah, this is the fit. So now that we have the outfits.
This is the Murad Hydrating. These are their... Oh, I throw out the packaging. Ooh, I don't want to sneeze, I don't want to sneeze, I don't want to sneeze. Oh no. I kind of made a vow. Oh, I need to sneeze. I have to go wash my hands now, excuse me.